My name is Yvette with Danziger De Llano, and today we're going to talk about taxable mesothelioma settlements. Are they? The short answer most of the time, no. If you or a loved one receives compensation for mesothelioma, the majority of that money is typically not considered taxable income under U.S. law. That's because it's tied directly to a physical illness caused by asbestos exposure. The IRS does not tax compensation that's meant to cover things like medical expenses, pain and suffering, or overall impact the disease had on your life. The type of compensation is meant to make you whole, not to create profit. So it's generally excluded from taxes. However, there are a few important exceptions you need to be aware of. First, punitive damages. If part of the settlement is meant to punish the company responsible for the asbestos exposure, that portion is usually taxable. Second, interest. If your case took time to resolve and interest was added to the settlement, that interest is also taxable. Third, if you previously deducted medical expenses related to mesothelioma on your taxes, you may have to report a portion of your settlement as income to avoid receiving a double tax benefit. So while most of the compensation is tax-free, not every dollar always is. Bottom line, most mesothelioma settlements are not taxable, but certain portions can be depending on how the settlement is structured.